Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Wahyudi. You can me Andi with NPM 22,411,201. Class Management 22C. Sampling technique key. Understanding sampling technique key. Sampling technique keys in research based on statistics and experts will be explained on the occasion. The sampling technique key is a technique key used to determine the sample. So a good researcher must pay attention to and urge technique determine the sample to be taken as subject. Sample statistics and population parameters. Mathematically, population and samples can be distributed using several parameters such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation of Materi. What is meant by sample statistics are the characteristics of a sample, while population characteristics are tailored population parameters. Sampling technique. Sampling is the process of selection a number of elements from the population, so that by studying the sample and understanding of the characteristics of the sample, it will be possible to generalize the characteristics of the population elements. The sampling technique is a sampling technique to determine the sampling to be used in research. There are four sampling techniques used: population characteristics such as population cover or mean, population standard deviation, and population variance, and are called population parameters, central tendency, depression, and after statistics. In a sample being studied are made up process to central tendency, depression, and other parameters in the population. Ratio for sampling. If the region population is larger, sample result relatively cheaper, faster, and more accurate. Another reason is the census is not possible in introductive testing units. Many research projects, especially in the quality control testing, require the distribution of the production being tested. For example, a company that wants to know the quality of the matches of producers on a possible carry out a census because the material will run of the after testing. The reason why the sampling technique is chosen in a study and not a member of the rational population is because we have the reason that we do not want to waste time, energy, money, and thoughts. If we do a sample alone, we can make calculation the describe the wall. Sampling must mean representative requirements, meaning that the sample taken through represent the existing population. Sampling method. There are two basic sampling methods, namely 1. Probability sampling is an objective procedure in which case the probability of selection is known in advance of each element of the population. In addition, an element of the population has had the same chance or probability of by selecting a sample. This probability sampling is based off the random selection method. The term random is often misunderstood to mean arbitrary, even though random is a precise mathematical concept that is often follows a number of strict rules so that every element in the population has the same chance of being selected as sample. 2. Non-probability sampling is a sensitive procedure in which case and sampling from is not available. Each element of the population does not have the same chance or probability of by selecting a samples we selection based our personal consideration. That's all and thanks. Sekian dari saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.